Ooh, we're in the log, whatever this bullshit ride is. We're a fucking...
It's a fuck ride.
Yeah, it's the fuck ride. What the hell? Stupid. Oh, yeah, I got wet like a motherfucker. Nah, I'm good. I like to get wet. My mom is wet. Now I'm kidding. Oh, dude, that shit went on YouTube. Scoot over, motherfuckers. I can't see shit. Oh, shit.
Hey, dare you to stand up.
Oh, dude, fuck you. Oh, whoa, oh, shit, that's dangerous, dude. Shut up. Why is it scary? Oh shit, look at the wolves. Imagine they're like zombies and it comes to life. Oh, what the heck? You get wet. Oh, thank you. Oh, it tricked us. Dude, that shit tricked us. You saw that? That shit tricked us? Do I have a camera? Fuck this shit. Alright, that's enough for the vlog because I don't want to get this camera wet. Alright, you...
You recorded Knott.
I know, huh? Fuck, that's scary. Which is the hot girl?